Hey guys, welcome back. It's Chad from Coyote Classics here. We have had rain in Iowa all week long. So this is actually the first time it's not pouring rain all week. It is misting a little bit, but I figured we better get out and do this video anyway. This 1966 Chevy Impala is a fantastic rust-free car. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, you'll see just how solid this car is. The floor pans on this thing are all original and 100% perfect on it. If you look up and down the sides of this Impala, it's got a super straight body. The paint job is a little older, but it still shines beautifully. And we just put on some brand new American Racing torque thrust rims, BFG raised white letter tires. They're brand new all the way around. If you're looking for just a nice turnkey cruiser, this is it. It's loaded with options. It's got factory power windows, air conditioning, cruise control, 3-speed automatic transmission, and 327 4-barrel 275 horse. As we go up here to the front end, it does have the factory chrome bumper guards. The grille is in great shape. Just all the chrome on it's really nice. Go ahead and set the camera down a second. So as we go underneath the hood, everything looks pretty much bone stock. It's got power steering, it's got power brakes, air conditioning's over there. The air conditioning is 100% complete, but we haven't not had time to get in their shop and see if a charge will make it work or not. Cruise control is all there, but is not hooked up. I'm guessing a guy could probably get that repaired if that's something a guy wants to do. Bottom of the hood's all painted in a matte black, looks really nice. When they did the restoration, as far as the paint on the inner fenders go, that's in beautiful shape as well. We do have a little bearing noise, it sounds like, coming from that air conditioning compressor. The hood lines up really nice across the top of the fender. As far as our paint goes, guys, the paint on this car really is in great shape. It's got a little blemish here and another little small one right there. Our passenger side hood gap from front to back is in excellent shape. Again, lines up nice across the top of the fender. The side molding is 100% original and really in decent shape. All the Impala emblems there, the rocker molding wheel well trim is all original. We do have a few little scuffs and stuff on the wheel well trim, but really in all is in great shape. No bubbles, no blisters down low on the fender, rocker, door. This is about as solid as a 66 Impala as a guy's gonna find. Over the wheel well is excellent. Behind the rear wheel is perfect as well. And again, this paint job I know is a minimum of 5 years, probably 5 to 15 years old. I purchased this car about 4 years ago, sold it to a customer in southern Iowa, and he just due to his age and stuff, just decided that it was time to get rid of it, and he called us back up. So back bumper is original, chrome's really good on that, back bumper guards as well. Dual exhaust, sounds good. Whoever ends up with this Impala is going to be super proud of the paint and body on this car. Very hard to find one this solid. Our gaps and stuff in the trunk lid are really nice and even there. As we look at our back shelf in here, it does have just a little bit, it's all original as far as the back shelf. It's got some wear in that. The roof is perfect, no dings, dents, nothing like that in the roof. Doors open and close, excellent. Paint on the door jambs. When they painted the car, they did a beautiful job on the jambs as well. buttons all work perfect up and down. It's got the original door panels, original armrest and bases. You can tell that with the discoloration of the plastic on the base. Check out the bottom corners and the bottom of these doors. The whole car is like this, guys. As far as the seats, now this is another neat option. You don't see this very often. It's got the straddle bucket seats incorporated in with the bench, okay? So it's got the folding down armrests. It's got the same tops for the straddle buckets. Back seats got seat belts for 3. Door panels are in great shape. Both of the dome lights work. The headliner is absolutely perfect, except for right up there. It does have a small mouse hole. You can't see it above the visor. It's right in front of the visor, just a very small hole there. The rest of the headliner is original and perfect. Even the rear sails, how they fit in there is excellent. The back door panels, all of this stuff back here. The ashtrays are all nice and clean. This hard plastic here, the chrome there. The original interior is in great shape. Factory AM FM radio stereo, guys. Check this out.
So we don't have a good
So the AM FM radio works perfect. And then your stereos all down here, we can change the balance, front and rear. The front, rear, everything works. It's amazing still. There's your comfort climate. Kind of crazy there. Rear, defrost, de-ice. Where the heck the fan is. Wipers are working as well. Does have horn works, and it does have tilt wheels, so that's another option, and cruise. So as far as 1966, you're not going to get many more options available than this car right here. It does not have power locks, but that's it. The dash pad is excellent as we go all the way across the top of the dash pad. The paint on the steering wheel is perfect. There's no cracks in the wheel. The paint on the column is nice. You can just tell this is a 103,000 mile car that's been very well taken care of. Carpet shows just a little bit of wear up in here. The front speakers are factory, okay? And it does have the kick panels are in excellent shape. Bottom corners of our doors are great. Again, no disappointments, guys, on how straight this car is. You're gonna look a long time to find one much straighter than this, especially in this price range. Bottom quarter is excellent. Driver's side over the wheel well is beautiful. No bubbles, no blisters, no blems. All the way along here, the whole lower part of this driver's side, just like the passenger side, excellent shape. Door gap, top to bottom. It's excellent. Now, when this car came in, guys, it had the original wire wheel hubcaps on a nice set of original steel rims, but it just didn't do nothing for the car. I mean, these torque thrusts really set it off, and they are the chrome torque thrusts, not the polished aluminums. So we don't skimp on that. Every torque thrust we have in here that we put on, we always go with the chrome. It's a little more expensive, but a lot less maintenance. It is going to need a new door rubber. Not quite sure what happened here. The door rubber got ripped a little bit at the top. But you can just tell they put all new rubbers on when they did it. I mean, there's no overspray on any of the rubbers, or underneath the rubbers is all painted body color. Even the inner fenders back in behind there is in great shape. Again, the door jambs on the driver's side are done very professionally. The cord on the seat in 2 little spots is just rubbed, not rubbed all the way through, but just rubbed just a little bit. No rips, no tears, no issues there in the seats whatsoever. Exhaust sounds really good. Not quite sure what this is, guys. Down here, if this is something to do with the cruise control or what. Gas gauge works. The factory clock even works. We already talked about the radio working. Power windows. Power windows are really fast too. All four of them go up just excellent, guys. Nice and quiet inside here. Again, a lot of these were 2-speed power glides. This was the turbo 350 version here with tilt wheel. Besides that little hole in the headliner, the interior is in excellent condition. Kickdown works great. That dual exhaust sounds nice. Transmission shifts beautifully. One other thing we did, guys, we didn't just put brand new wheels and tires and get those balanced. We went ahead and had it completely aligned as well. So it's had a new front end alignment on it, and the steering wheel is perfectly straight. Our brake stop straight there. We also, when it first came in, the kickdown wasn't hooked up. We got that all adjusted in. The guys did a great job going through this Impala. I mean, it's just ready to go. There's 80 mile an hour just like that. Speedometer works perfectly. And the car goes down the road absolutely perfect. One finger on the wheel. Shocks feel nice. Steering, alignment, everything, guys. This is a car that you can just jump in and enjoy. Check this check us Impala out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage again. It's a super solid car, and let's make it yours.